Susan from Rezt+Relax Interior.
Hi, I'm Yvette from Rezt+Relax Interior.
Let us show you our beautiful project. This modern Victorian interior design of us is actually a timeless style. The style is sophisticated and luxurious, but at the same time it brings a cozy and comfortable atmosphere. Looking at the chandelier and the cove light and the lamps over here are very elegant and stylish. We also add a little sparkle to the house by adding a very large vintage mirror over here to make a real impact and add to the wow factor.
Another interesting detailing are the gold trimmings around the cabinets and the gold beadings on the wall. Of course, a lot of the technical knowledge needed to successfully build up this dream fish tank for our fish lover owner, and not forgetting the storage space as well.
Next, we'll walk you through the master bedroom. The owner herself, she actually wanted a very luxurious hotel kind of theme. Okay, so what we actually emphasize here will be more on the ceiling. Look at the beadings and the details over here. So it gives a very dramatic and luxurious effect. And especially the beadings on the wall over here. And we actually complement it with a very nice, very cozy wallpaper. So the overall feel, it gives you a very like a 5-star luxurious hotel. There's actually an interconnecting room which actually connects to the owner's daughter's room. We call it a princess room because it comes with a crown over here, and it actually softened down by these curtains over here, a very light and soft white colors. And at the same time, we also give them a very nice sky wallpaper which actually glows in the dark at night. The most challenging part of this project were sourcing the best furniture piece for our clients, as they have preferred something neat and modern and at the same time not too gaudy. So, and most importantly, it's actually cost savings too. So we are lucky, after several weeks of sourcing, we managed to have found all the matching pieces to actually complete the entire home renovation. So in Rezt+Relax Interior, we believe once a customer, always a customer.
I hope you like our design. Thank you for watching.